Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic.
Scientists announced breakthrough gene therapy for deafness that uses a synthetic virus. The discovery may help in the treatment of children with hearing loss. Researchers said that the results of hearing recovery are really impressive. This innovative treatment is based on the delivery of genetic material into the cells of the inner ear. The genetic material replaces the genetic defect and enables the cells to continue functioning normally. There are currently about 100 different genes associated with the hereditary deafness. For the study, researchers focused on genetic deafness caused by a mutation in the gene. The mutation caused mislocalization of cell nuclei inside the cochlea of inner ear, which serve a sound wave receptor and are essential for hearing. This defect leads to the degeneration of and death of hair cells. Researchers applied an innovative gene therapy technology. They created a harmless synthetic virus and used it to deliver genetic material. Researchers injected the virus into the inner ear of the mice so that it entered the hair cells and released its genetic payload. This process repaired the defect in the hair cells and enabled them to mature and function normally. The treatment was administered soon after birth. The mice hearing was then monitored using both physiological and behavioral tests. Treated mice developed normal hearing with sensitivity almost identical to the healthy mice. The scientists are now developing similar therapies for other mutations that cause deafness. Deafness is the most common sensory disability worldwide. It's caused by a genetic mutation. There are about 500 million people with hearing loss around the world today. Deafness is expected to double in the upcoming decades. 1 in every 200 children is born with a hearing impairment. Children inheriting the defective gene from both parents will be born with normal hearing, but they gradually lose their hearing during childhood. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge and health as well.